Ennen lähtöä haluamme kertoa sinulle lennon turvallisuuteen liittyvistä asioista. Istuintaskussasi olevassa turvaohjeessa on esitelty samat turva-asiat, jotka kohta esittelemme sinulle englanniksi. Hello everyone. Before departure, we kindly ask for your attention as we go through the safety features of this aircraft. Our crew has been trained to ensure your safety and comfort on board. You must always follow the instructions given by our crew. For your safety, you must comply with all posted placards and lighted signs in the cabin. You may use smartphones and other handheld electronic devices during the flight, but we ask you to ensure that they are set to flight mode from gate to landing. You may switch to normal mode after landing. All other electronic devices, such as laptops, must be switched off and stowed for both takeoff and landing. If your electronic device overheats, let our crew know immediately. All our flights are non-smoking, and under aviation law, smoking is forbidden in the lavatories. This also applies to electronic cigarettes. You'll find the safety features of this aircraft in the safety card located in your seat pocket. We